Okay, let's fire this vacuum up and see what's going on. The motor doesn't sound that healthy on it either. Flip it up here. So I've got what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to use it as a portable vacuum here. I've got my Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take the legs off. 2 screws on either side will release the motor from the bottom wheels. There's them. Now this should just lift right out of here. On this side the belt is still attached to the brushes. I'm sure we can do there. Disconnect this. Okay, that's it. Now let's try it again here, see what happens. Sounds a little bit better now. Only a little bit. Let's see. Look at that, the filter's completely plugged. I'm going to have to bang that filter out. I was thinking to unscrew the handle, but when you do that you lose the piece for the wire, and also you don't have a handle no more, so I'm just going to cut it. Cut it off about there with the hacksaw. Cut it just along here somewhere. And you put some glue around. And there's a protector. This will be great for cleaning up the van and stuff. Don't have to haul such a big vacuum out. Okay. I can suck up all the leaves around here. See, that's working.